Disney just dropped the ultimate rock and roll plot twist, and it's about to get Muppet wild. Rock and Roll Roller Coaster is coming back on May 26th, but this time it's starring the Electric Mayhem band from the Muppets. Animal is gonna take the wheel, and this coaster is about to be louder, crazier, and way more chaotic than Aerosmith ever dreamed. If you're a Disney fan who loves thrills and laughs, you don't want to miss what they just announced.
Yeah! Strap in, here we go! Lights flash, gates drop, feel the track shake, heart racing fast, yeah, we're wide awake. From Orlando thrills to the biggest drops, we chase that rush, never gonna stop. Hands up high, feel the wind blow by, every twist and turn, we're touching the sky. Theme park mat, let's ride, feel the rush, no fear inside. From POVs to reviews that hit, if you love a thrill, this is it. Theme park mat, let's go. Fast lanes, big show, every coaster, every track. You know we're coming back.
Hello everybody, I'm Theme Park Matt, or as previously known as Matt Oakley, and previous known before that was Matt Machine. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about what Disney just announced for the Rock and Roll Roller Coasters Muppet overlay, or Retheme, whatever you want to call it. They announced the full soundtrack, they announced the opening date. It's just like exciting time for Disney right now, or for the Rock and Roll Roller Coaster. And it's reopening sooner than everyone thinks. We're gonna talk about that first. Let me just go down to my notes on my phone that I took for the Rock and Roller Coaster. Yeah, the opening date is May 26th. That's like a month and like 30 days after this video gets published. So it's opening sooner than expected. It closed last month, the Rock and Roll Roller Coaster. I know a lot of the work that they were doing to it is for the pre-show. A lot of the work was for the pre-show, redoing it for it. Like I heard they're putting like the Penguins Orchestra animatronics that was in the Muppet Vision inside the pre-show there. So that's one of the things they worked on. So we also got a list of songs, but I'm gonna save the songs part for the end. But I'm just excited about this Muppets Rock and Roll Roller Coaster. They have so much potential here to reuse some of the animatronics from Muppet Vision 3D with this. Like instead of having a screen where it has the countdown with when Stevie Tyler screams it, they should have like the old people that's from the Muppet Vision up there saying, "This better be good," or something like that. Them taking punts at the Muppets, those old people Muppets. They better put that there. I would love to see them reuse as much animatronics from Muppet Vision 3D on this as possible. I really would. Like I know the orchestra is probably going to be part of the pre-show. The Penguin Orchestra that they have in the Muppets Vision 3D is probably going to be part of the pre-show. Just that this is exciting for me. I do like Aerosmith, but I love the Muppets, honestly. I like the Muppets better than Aerosmith. And we don't know what like the inside of the ride's going to look like or anything like that. We just know what songs they're having. It's gonna be a Muppets. It's just a exciting time for the Muppets in general and Disney. I really am excited for the Hollywood Studios future in general. Just not only that, just in general. But we're gonna talk about the songs. The first song is, they have song number 2 from the Electric Mayhem band. It's not originally made by them. I think it's made by Creed or something like that, song number 2. But I can't wait to see how the Muppets do their version of the song. The thing I like about Muppet Vision 3D is all the puns and jokes they make throughout the whole ride, or throughout the whole attraction. So I'm like hoping this will make all those puns and jokes that they make and there. That's what I loved about the Muppets Vision 3D. So I'm hoping the Muppets Rock and Roll Roller Coaster would do the same thing. The second song is, this one's crazy, but it's Born to Be Wild with the Electric Mayhem featuring Kamala the Chicken. So Born to Be Wild is Born to Be Wild. It's that classic rock song that I can't wait to see how they're gonna have the animal play the drums on it. If you guys don't know, I remember from one of the Muppets movies that the animal actually gets like electricity fused from the drums itself. Then you have a song that I think it fits this ride perfect, honestly. I just think this song in general, just the name of it, it's called the Love Roller Coaster with Electric Mayhem featuring Jennifer Hudson and Questlove. So Jennifer Hudson was from American Idol and Questlove is a famous producer. But that Love Roller Coaster song I think fits it perfect because this is a roller coaster itself. It's actually a Vekoma launch coaster, and they have 3 models of this. They have Express Platform 13 at the Walibi Holland. Then you have the Avengers Assemble one that used to be Rock and Roll Roller Coaster, but they changed it to Avengers with Tony Stark stuff. In Disney California, or Disney Adventureland I think it's called now. They're redeeming that theme park from Disney, but yeah, still pretty exciting stuff happening. Then you also have Rock Rock Till You Drop with Electric Mayhem featuring Death Leopard. And here's the part that I find interesting. It's that they're having Walking on Sunshine as the last song. But of course, Electric Mayhem, but it's gonna feature the season 1 American Idol winner, Kelly Clarkson. I just think this set list is crazy good, honestly. It's crazy good, the set list they have for it. But I know some details about this that hasn't been released to the public yet, honestly. And I'm excited to share this with you guys, these details. Do you know how on Rock and Roll Roller Coaster with the Aerosmith that they have like they've on the license plate on the back of it that says what song's gonna be on the ride? This one's actually gonna be truly randomized, like how Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind is, with just the Muppets taking over it. It's literally gonna be like randomized. And I think pictures of what some upgrades they started to do, it looks like they stripped the guitar in the beginning, or when like the guitar sign when you walk into that section. They repainted the car already, and I put pictures overlays. This is just a reminder for me to put the picture overlay, not to tell you guys, but they painted the car to have like this Muppets type feel to it. And according to what I saw on TikTok, they have the coins, or the press pennies for construction of the Muppet Rock and Roll Roller Coaster. And that's pretty cool. And they're finally bringing Muppets like headband, like Muppets headband type stuff I saw on TikTok also. And like I said, I will put the pictures in there for you guys so you guys can see it. And it's a very exciting time for the Rock and Roll Roller Coaster, honestly. The only thing I would wish they would do, but I don't think they're gonna do because of the length of the refurbishment, get rid of the LIM launch and put LSM launch instead, because LSM launches are more reliable, more punchier than the ILM one. The LIM one, it pretty much has a piece, if you go on like Cheetah Hunt, it has like the electricity part on the bottom attached to the train. And that's more reliable than what the other one is. This one has the part that's on the coaster. It's on the track itself. And then the coaster has the white bar on there, the white magnetic electricity bar on there. But it's more reliable, the system for the LSM than LIM launch. It's a more reliable system than that. That's why I'm bringing this up to you guys. I don't think they're gonna do that, but that's what they should do. I think this overlay is gonna be great. Honestly, I love Rock and Roll Roller Coaster to begin with. If you guys actually want to see what the roller coaster track looks like without any building or not in the dark, I can put it over, or I'll leave it to a pinned comment on the Best Platform 13 POV from another channel, because that shows what this looks like when it's out in the wild, pretty much. I'm just excited to see what they're gonna do with the Muppets. Like I said, I absolutely love the Muppets. I love roller coasters, and I love music, so there you go. 3 things taken care of. It's just a very exciting chapter for Muppets in Rock and Roll Roller Coaster right now. And I know there's a slim possibility about something else I heard about. So according to what I heard, I'm not sure how true this is, once the Villain Land opens, the Villain Show is gonna become Muppet Vision 3D. I'm not sure how true that is though. I'm just very excited. Let me know if you guys are gonna attend Rock and Roll Roller Coaster on an open day this year, or on the day it opens. Let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching the video, and please make sure you subscribe to me, Theme Park Matt, and like this video if you like this channel. See you in the next video. Peace.